Okay, so a couple of things. I am doing the book chapter. I just wanted to kind of give you a layout. So I've got my GarageBand. I'm going to set it up. But what I also have is I've taken the book chapter and I just copied all of the text from the ebook chapter and I pasted it into a Google document, and then I made any edits. So I added some things, and I'm going to give you my sample chapter. You can add the same stuff to your sample chapter. But after I edit it, I'm going to copy all of this into the pasteboard for speed, the pace speech setter. So this is the whole entire script, right? So I'm going to go Command A. Oh, no, actually, maybe you can't do it on iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to select all right, which is Command A on a Mac. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy, which is Command C on a Mac. And then I'm going to, I know this is not like the best. And then I'm going to open up on the app. And again, you can go to the library and they will give you, it's a speech pace setter right here. And it's going to be installed on the iPads in the library. And I'm going to open that. And then you'll notice up at the top where it gives you the different options for the types, the rainbow, my grandfather, north wind and the sun, Arthur the rat, and pasteboard. You're going to go into pasteboard and copy any text and press the paste button. So you already copied the text, right? You already went into the Google Doc and you hit copy. So now you just go down to the lower right-hand corner and click the word paste, and then voila, everything is here. So now you can set your pace. I'm going to set it at 170 words per minute because I can speak a little bit faster. You can set yours to anywhere between, we're down here, to anywhere between 170 and 150. And then you can put 1 second pause between sentences, or in my case, I don't need that much, so I'm just going to put a 0.6 second pause. And then when you're ready, you just hit go. And then you record into GarageBand. So I've got my headphones on. And just as a quick reminder, when you go into GarageBand, let me see if we can see this. Yes. We go into GarageBand, we're going to go into a voice project. It's going to load. And then under narration vocals, you're going to see a very little kind of, looks like an upside down Wi-Fi signal. We're going to click that. And then you should be able to hear what you're doing in your headphones. So I should be able to hear them in here. So if I'm over the microphone, I can hear them a little bit in my headphone. Here's the mic. If you can't, you can go ahead and raise the volume up on the input, which is right here, or you can lower it. The other thing you really want to make sure that you're doing is that the volume is up on the computer. So you go onto the, this is tough to do. You go onto the keyboard in the upper right-hand corner where the two volume keys are, and you want to make sure that you turn the volume up on. Yeah, there we go. See, now I can hear it because now the volume is up on the desktop. So those two volumes should be increased if you can't hear yourself in the headphones. And also you got to make sure that that little upside down Wi-Fi signal is on. And then you hit record and you're all set to go. So I'm all set up. I'm going to record right now and I will be back in touch with the sample audio file.